I'm back. So I realized that you don't actually have an example for questions like this. So see the way in our notes we have examples where both the things are positive. We have a negative b and a positive c, and we've got a negative b and a negative c. We didn't have one where the b was a positive term and the c was negative. So I just want to give you an example like this because there are some questions like this in your work. Okay, so A is 1, B is 3, and C is minus 28. Remember, AC is the product of A and C, so that's 1 multiplied by minus 28 gives us minus 28. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply to give us that minus 28 and that add to give us the B number, which was 3. So let's think about the factors of 28, 1 and 28. Now 1 multiplied by 28 does not give me minus 28, so it's another one like where one of them is negative and the other one is positive. So let's do minus 1 multiplied by 28 gives me minus 28. If I add them together, that gives me 27. It's not 3. Let's do the other way around. So 1 multiplied by minus 28 multiplies to give me minus 28, adds to give me minus 27. No use to me. Okay, let me see 2 and 14. So minus 2 multiplied by 14 will give me minus 28. Add those together gives me 12. Again, not 3. So 2 and minus 14 is going to give me minus 12. Again, not 3. 4 and 7. So let's do minus 4 multiplied by 7 gives me minus 28. Minus 4 plus 7 gives me 3. Okay, so these are our numbers. Now, start off by writing out our equation. So x squared plus 3x minus 28. Remember, we're separating this 3x up into minus 4x plus 7x. So that's my next line. What am I doing? Minus 4x plus 7x minus 28. Take the first two terms, factorize them. So inside my bracket this time, well, I'm going to take x out of the bracket, and I'll be left with x minus 4. I feel like I'm going a bit quicker now, but I do feel like we're starting to get the hang of it. And then second two terms, factorize, see what we can bring out, but keeping in mind that inside the bracket has to be x minus 4. So it's going to be 7, because 7 multiplied by x gives us 7x, 7 multiplied by minus 4 gives us minus 28. Then remember, one last factorizing step where this bracket is the common term that we can bring out. So we're left with x plus 7, which is getting multiplied by x minus 4. And that's that one done. Okay, now you are going to get like a mix and match of questions of all these different styles of questions with the negatives all around the place. Promise me you'll be super careful and take your time. Don't rush through them. It'll be a disaster. Okay.